Hello students, let's discuss the solution of this genetic test quiz. Question number 1 was, in his classical experiment on pea plant, Mendel does not use. Mendel works on 7 contrasting character. If I out of these 7 contrasting character, one was the stem height. If I am talking for flower, in flower he used two conditions. One was the color and one was the position. In case of seed, he used two positions. One is the color and one is the shape. In case of pod, he used two conditions. One was the pod color and one was the pod shape. What was not used out of that was pod length. So our correct answer is pod length. Okay. Our second question is, how many contrasting characteristics were studied by Mendel in his experiment? Just now we have discussed there were 7 contrasting character: stem height, pod color, pod shape, flower color, flower position, seed color, seed shape. So correct answer is 7. Our third question is, if a colorblind man marries a woman for homozygous normal vision. So let's discuss this one. Colorblind man and female is normal. She is a carrier. This son is normal. This female is carrier and this son is normal. Question is, the probability of having a colorblind son would be, there is no probability of having a colorblind son. So a correct answer is 0. So from here it is very clear that if a colorblind man marries a woman, if the father is colorblind, then there is no chance that the son could be colorblind. Son could be colorblind if the mother is colorblind or mother is carrier. Next question is, a tall true breeding garden pea plant is crossed with a dwarf true breeding garden pea plant. When the F1 plants were self-crossed, the resulting genotype were in the ratio of. Let's see how we can do this question. First condition is homozygous tall crossed with homozygous dwarf. This is the parent generation. You have to mention this is a cross. This one is capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. This is the F1 generation. In F1 generation, we have all heterozygous tall. Now the question is, if we have a cross between the progeny of F1, that is heterozygous tall, we have a cross. This is a F1 generation. Now homozygous tall 1, heterozygous tall, there are 2 heterozygous tall and one is homozygous short. So our answer is 1:2:1. One is tall homozygous, one is tall heterozygous, and one is dwarf. Our next question is, which of the following most appropriately describe hemophilia? It is a X-linked recessive gene disorder. A man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group B. There are two possibilities. A man could be homozygous with blood group A and with blood group B. So if we have a cross between them, we will have 4 offspring and everyone will have AB blood group. Okay. So as per that, the answer should be AB only. There could be heterozygous blood group A, that is AO and BO. This one show A blood group because A is dominant, and this will show B blood group because B is dominant. If we have cross between them, then there could be AB, there could be AO, that is blood group A, there could be BO, that is blood group B, and OO, that is blood group O. So all 4 possible blood groups are possible. So correct answer is this. Our next question is, a man whose father was colorblind. In last question we have done, if the father is colorblind, then son could not be colorblind, because in case of this, a सन XY, XY में से जो X क्रोमोसोम है ये तो उसको हमेशा ही मदर से मिलता है, Y क्रोमोसोम मिलता है उसको फादर से. Now, a man whose father was colorblind marries a woman who has a colorblind mother. Mother was colorblind. If the mother is colorblind, suppose mother is colorblind like this. So, if we have a daughter from it, in daughter, one of the X chromosome is from the father and one of the X chromosome from the mother. So, father was normal, so she has a X normal. And mother was colorblind, so she has a one abnormal X. Okay, so she is a carrier of colorblindness. Now we have a cross between them. The one of the daughter will be carrier, one of the daughter will be normal, one of the son will be colorblind, and one of the son will be normal. Now the question is, what percentage of male character children of this couple will be color blind? मेल चिल्ड्रन के कितनी परसेंटेज कलर ब्लाइंड होएगी? तो मेल कितने हैं? 2, एंड आउट ऑफ 2 1 मेल इज कलर ब्लाइंड. एक लड़का जो है वो कलर ब्लाइंड है, तो 2 में से एक है ना, तो 50% मेल प्रोजेनी इज कलर ब्लाइंड. यदि क्वेश्चन ये होता कि हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ दिस कपल विल बी कलर ब्लाइंड, देन आंसर वुड बी 25%. Okay, our next question is, most genetic disease in men are recessive in character? Yes, most of the genetic diseases are recessive in character. DNA has a double helical structure. It's true. Genes are responsible for genetic characters. It's true. Linkage is a permanent feature of few genes. Yes, true. Mutation can be brought about artificially. Yes, we can have mutation artificially with the help of X-rays or nuclear reactors or UV rays, etc. A female is responsible for the sex of the progeny. No, not at all. A male is responsible for the sex of the progeny because in female, in any of the case, female is always going to donate X character only. It is the male who will give either the X character or the Y character, and on this only it depends whether we will have a son or a daughter. So female is not responsible for the sex of the progeny. Mendel experimented upon plant Pisum sativum. First is wrong क्योंकि इसके अंदर हमने S को कैपिटल लिया हुआ है. This is wrong. In second, spelling is wrong. Third is correct answer, and the fourth, it is a small letter, so it should be in capital letter. So our right answer is this. Male act as a carrier for color blindness. No, female act as a carrier for color blindness. मेल तो कैरियर होता ही नहीं है. फादर यदि कलर ब्लाइंड है तो लड़का कलर ब्लाइंड नहीं हो सकता. फीमेल आर मोर अफेक्टेड बाय सेक्स लिंक जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. जी नहीं, इट इज द मेल हु आर मोस्ट अफेक्टेड बाय सेक्स लिंक जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. फीमेल को तब तक नहीं होगा जब तक दोनों एक्स पर नहीं प्रेजेंट है, और वाई डिसऑर्डर तो उनको होते ही नहीं है. Hemophilia exhibit X-linked inheritance. It's true. Cancer is genetic disorder. It's false. A colorblind male cannot distinguish any color. It's false. They cannot distinguish between two colors probably, that is red and green. Genetics is a branch of biology dealing with both heredity and variation. When an individual has both the genes of a contrasting character, it is said to be heterozygous. This is a heterozygous condition. This is the heterozygous condition. When two individuals differing in at least one character cross, the process is known as hybridization. Like if we have a cross between a mango, which is juicy and which is less juicy, that cross is called hybridization. A cross was made between tall and dwarf plants. In F1 generation, all plants were tall. When the F1 plants were self, the tall and dwarf plants appear in 3:1. इसका मतलब out of 3:1, 3 is tall and 1 is dwarf. In F2 generation, this phenomena is known as law of segregation. क्योंकि in this condition, this one is dwarf and यहाँ पर dwarfness का character segregate हुआ है. DNA structure was discovered by Watson and Crick. chromosomal aberrations are caused by aberrations means change in chromosomal characteristics, change in the structure of gene, not always, change in the number of chromosome, not always, change in the arrangement or position of genes, no, change in the number of arrangement of genes in the chromosome, क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर जिस तरीके से जीन्स का अरेंजमेंट चेंज होता है, नंबर चेंज होता है, दिस कवर इंटायर process. That's why the correct answer is last. So it's time to check our score, and our score is not possible because we are not having